How do you say colors in Irish? When you think about traveling in Ireland, have you ever wondered how to express the beautiful colors you see? Learning to say colors in Irish can be a fun way to connect with the culture. The Irish word for color is dath, and when you want to talk about multiple colors, you use dathanna. Let's look at some basic colors in Irish. First up, black translates to dove. If you want to say white, you would say ban. For red, you have two options, derg or rua, depending on the context. Now, when it comes to green, there are two forms as well. You use glass for natural things like grass, while ewing is for brighter shades. Blue is simply gorm, and if you want to say yellow, you use buoy. Moving on, brown is dawn and gray is layeth. If you are admiring something shiny, gold is or, and silver is ergid. For purple, you would say corcra and pink is bandirg. Lastly, orange is oraced. These colors can really help you describe the stunning sights around you. Imagine standing in a field of glass, grass, or admiring the gorm sky above the cliffs of Moher. You might even want to describe the buoy of a sunset or of a traditional Irish ring. Using these words can deepen your appreciation for the vibrant culture and landscapes of Ireland. Whether you are chatting with locals or simply taking in the scenery, knowing how to say these colors in Irish can make your experience even more memorable. So, next time you are in Ireland, try using these colorful words to express what you see.